So, what's going to be the best Nikon videography camera in 2024? In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best Nikon cameras for videography, so you don't have to suffer unpromising video quality and features. Now, the only problem is that the camera might work very well for a friend, but when it comes to you, things might turn upside down. That's why we've included a variety of options for every kind of videographer. We've also given the links for each camera in the below description box, so you can check out the current pricing and more detailed features. All right, without making this intro too long, let's snap into the list of best Nikon video cameras. Number 1. Nikon Z8. The Nikon Z8 is a powerhouse for videography. This full-frame mirrorless camera delivers unrivaled professional video that redefines versatility and performance. Designed with a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and Nikon's latest X-Speed 7 processing engine, the Z8 brings unparalleled video quality and dynamic range to your production. With internal 8K/60p and 4K/120p recording capabilities, this camera isn't just about capturing moments, it's about creating stunning cinematic experiences. What makes the Z8 a game-changer for filmmakers is its advanced autofocus system, developed using deep learning technology. This intelligent AF can track everything from fast-moving cars to soaring birds, even in dimly lit conditions as low as -9 EV. The mix of subject detection and 3D tracking ensures that your focus remains locked, no matter how unpredictable the scene may be. Whether capturing a wildlife chase, a super sports event, or a dramatic slow-motion sequence, the Z8 will deliver great results every time. On top of that, the Z8 features 12-bit ProRes RAW HQ and 10-bit ProRes 422 HQ internal recording, enabling seamless post-production workflows with rich color depth and stunning detail. At just 2 pounds, the Z8's compact design makes it ideal for handheld shots or gimbal use, providing professional-level quality without the bulk. Its durable carbon fiber and magnesium alloy build with premium weather sealing makes it ready for any environment. Number 2. Nikon Z6 III. If you are tired of compromising quality and versatility in your videography, the Nikon Z6 III is the camera that will make all your creative visions come to life. This FX format mirrorless camera combines incredible video capabilities with enhanced control, perfect for filmmakers who demand more from their gear. With internal 6K 60pn RAW recording, oversampled 4K UHD, and the ability to capture stunning 4K 120p and full HD 240p slow-motion footage, the Z6 III delivers cinematic quality in every frame. The high-res zoom feature adds flexibility, giving you up to 2 times digital zoom during HD recording without compromising on quality. One of the most incredible features of the Z6 III is its improved electronic viewfinder. With a maximum brightness of 4,000 nits, this beast of cameras offers super crystal clear viewing even under bright sunlight. The 5,760 dot resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 frames per second make capturing fast-paced action scenes easy, while the expanded color gamut ensures the most accurate color reproduction. It also excels in low-light performance thanks to its wide ISO range of 100 to 64,000, extendable to an impressive high 1.7. Plus, Nikon's deep learning technology powers the improved autofocus, delivering detection down to -10 EV and precise subject recognition. The flexible picture control allows you to craft a unique color profile and load it directly into the camera, giving you full creative control. The Nikon Z6 III is built for creators who want it all: unmatched quality, flexibility, and control. Number 3. Nikon ZFC. Nikon isn't just a brand, it's a legacy, and the Nikon ZFC embodies that heritage while offering modern videography features perfect for today's creators. Retro-inspired in design, This compact mirrorless camera brings a vintage look with tactile analog controls, but don't be fooled by its classic exterior. Inside, it's packed with advanced technology that makes it a powerhouse for both stills and video. Equipped with a 20.9 megapixel DX CMOS sensor and powered by the X-Speed 6 processing engine, the ZFC ensures superb image quality with ideal detail and color accuracy. For videographers, it is an ideal pal. It captures 4K UHD video and features a flip-out vari-angle LCD, which is perfect for vlogging and creating content on the move. The full-time autofocus with eye detection ensures that your subject stays in sharp focus, even during dynamic shoots. Plus, its built-in stereo microphone, external mic jack, and live streaming capabilities make it a versatile tool for those looking to produce professional quality video. With compatibility for Nikon Z lenses and the ability to use F-mount lenses via the FTZ mount adapter, the ZFC offers flexibility in your creative choices. The SnapBridge app keeps you connected, making sharing your content as easy as capturing it. The Nikon ZFC merges classic style with modern functionality, making it a fantastic choice for creators looking to express their vision with flair. Number 4. Nikon Z7 II. Have you been in search of the ultimate high-resolution camera that combines exceptional image quality with cutting-edge video capabilities? Look no further than the Nikon Z7 II. This full-frame mirrorless camera is equipped with a 45.7 megapixel CMOS sensor, delivering ultra-high resolution for both stills and video. Paired with the versatile 24 to 70 mm f4 lens, the Z7 II ensures stunning detail and color accuracy, making it a perfect choice for filmmakers seeking cinematic quality in every frame. The Z7 II offers 4K UHD 60p video recording, providing smoother motion and the flexibility to create high-quality slow-motion footage. With improved autofocus that tracks subjects quickly and accurately, even in challenging lighting, the Z7 II is built to capture those important moments effortlessly. The 3.3x expanded buffer capacity means you can record continuously without interruptions, ideal for extended shoots and capturing fast-paced action. For those long production days, the Z7 II's USB-C constant power and charging feature ensures that you won't run out of juice while live streaming or shooting time lapses. Dual card slots offer peace of mind, giving you flexibility for important shoots like weddings or events. Comfortable to handle and built for durability, the Nikon Z7 II stands out as an advanced tool for both still photographers and videographers. With compatibility with a growing range of Nikon Z lenses and 360 f-mount lenses, this beast is ready to meet the unique needs of professionals. Number 5. Nikon D3500. The D3500 is not the most high-tech camera on the market, but its simplicity and reliability make it a fantastic choice for those who want to dive into videography without complications. This entry-level DSLR delivers beautiful, sharp video quality with ease. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor and the X-Speed 4 image processor, the D3500 captures vibrant Full HD 1080p video at 60 frames per second, ensuring you get crisp footage that brings your creative vision to life. The D3500 is designed for ease of use, with a live view lever and a dedicated record button that makes switching from photos to video effortless. Its compact and lightweight build makes it ideal for traveling, allowing you to capture stunning videos wherever your adventures take you. The included 18 to 55 mm lens provides versatility, enabling wide-angle shots and close-ups with ease. With SnapBridge Bluetooth connectivity, you can quickly share your videos with friends and family. The camera bundle also comes with additional accessories like extra batteries, a memory card, and software, giving you everything you need to start creating right away. The D3500 is perfect for newbies who want to capture amazing moments and make their mark in the world of videography. So, there you have it, guys. The top 5 best Nikon video cameras that cater to different levels of expertise and creative needs. Whether you are a novice or a pro, there is a Nikon camera for you. With their advanced technology, user-friendly features, and compatibility with a range of lenses, these cameras offer endless possibilities for creating stunning videos that will leave your audience in awe.